Hello everyone! Today I'll show you something super quick and easy, but very cute at the same time. It can be a home or desk decoration, a small trinket for your kitchen, a new toy for your child, or you can even mix it up between your plants. In this case, you should make a bigger version of it. I'll start by making the pot, gluing a bunch of strips together and rolling them into a tight coil. I chose a normal brown for the color, but you could also try something a little bit more alive. We then start shaping the coil into a flower pot. To make sure the strips stay in place and keep their shape, we put some glue inside and let it dry. Let's now continue with making the cactus. We will use the crimping tool after we glued some green strips together to give it a nicer look. Then we start rolling all the crimped paper into shapes of various sizes. The next and final steps is to glue together the pieces of the cactus, starting by putting the biggest piece inside the pot. You may have noticed that I took some measurements before getting it right, so take your time and make sure it fits properly. Then glue them one on top of each other however it seems better for you. Maybe having a real cactus photo in front of you to mimic that one. Or use your imagination and create your perfect cactus. And that's it. I think I'll use this small decoration for my living room or kitchen window because even though I have several plants at home, none of them is a cactus. So now I've got one. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Let me know in the comments what other cactus models you would like to see in one of my future videos. Take care!